Hi, I'm Stephen Buxton from Buxton Gas and Plumbing. I joined Halo about 8 months ago, originally for the financial benefit of a greater buying power and getting discounts on plumbing material. It turned out to be more than just cost saving. It became a blessing of being part of the Halo franchise, where we not only got discount on materials but a lot of support from Justin and the team with business advice, with just someone to chat through when you're having a hard day or you're having issues with supplier. So yeah, it's just been a real blessing just to grow your business and also your mindset and what that is.